Hello, fifth graders. This is going to be a little tutorial on how to do your slide presentation if you have any questions. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'm expecting as far as your personal slides go. So if you see here, you'll see a slideshow presentation. Every one of yours will look the same before you start working on it. Here it says put your name here, so you would click it, and if it was me, I would delete it and put Mr. Man. And you're going to put your first and last name. On each slide, there are 8 slides total, including the title. On each slide, there is a question, and you're going to answer the question in complete sentences, please. So you'd say, my favorite animal is a bear. That's what I would put. And then it says include a picture of it. Most of them are going to ask you to include a picture, except for slide number 3, which asks about your family. I would assume that your family does not have just pictures posted on Google. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Insert Image when you need to insert an image. Click Insert Image, which is up at the toolbar. Click it. Press Search the Web. You'll have this little bar on the side here where you can search for images. So I would put polar bear. Okay, there's lots of images of polar bear. I'm going to pick this one. And it puts it right on the slide. I'm just going to change the size of it. To change the size of an image, there's these little boxes on the image, and I do like that. So that would be my first slide is complete. Your second slide, tell me a little bit about your family. You can tell me as much or as little as you want. You could just tell me if you have any siblings, who your mom and dad are, any of that. Or you can tell me as much as you like. It's all up to you, but you do not need to include a picture here unless you want to add one. You would have to do more steps like downloading a picture to your computer, maybe emailing it from your parents' computer or something. So it's a lot more work. So you do not need to include a picture for slide number 3. If we go down to slide number 4, you can put your favorite movie, because that's the question. Tell me why. So I would put my favorite movie and why, but to include a picture, you're going to go to Search the Web again. And for some of them, let's say Snow Dogs, for example. Or 8 Below, that was the movie. It doesn't come up with the movie sometimes that you look for. So what I would do is just pick a picture that the movie is about. So I would put Sled Dogs. Okay, so if I wanted to put 8 Below is my favorite movie because I like dogs and snow, I would just include a picture of kind of what the movie's about, right? Like Sled Dogs. So I'd put maybe that one right there. Oops. Sometimes you get this message up here, unable to create some images. That's okay. You go to Dismiss. And then you just have to choose another image. Let's see here. Let's try that one more time. Search the web, Sled Dogs. Let's find some sled dogs here. There we go. So then I would just move the image, make it smaller, put it in the middle, and I would move on. I would like you to do this for each slide. So there are 8 slides total. I'd like you to answer each question and add a picture. I'm going to have you work on this today and tomorrow. I'm going to check in, see how you're doing tomorrow, maybe talk a little bit of science, and then we're going to finish this tomorrow. So I'd expect you to do 3 or 4 slides today and then 3 or 4 slides tomorrow so you don't have a ton of homework. And then we will check in again tomorrow and we'll get you all squared away.